My name is Dr. Amarias, and I'm the Vice President of Membership for the Arizona Hispanic Chamber of Commerce. What I appreciate the most with our SCORE partners is the fact that they are very friendly, but they also offer a lot of information, very detailed information. And when we do have the workshops, we're able to talk and we're able to maybe bring up some questions, but also it's a very interactive workshop. I recommend any organization, business to partner with SCORE. SCORE has many topics, they have many speakers, and they are so organized with all their webinars, with their ability to work with small business owners, and just the interaction that is in the workshops. It's amazing. So I really feel that SCORE is an organization that is able to not only work with small business owners, but big organizations as well.